Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button, volume up and volume down at the same time, all three buttons, and when you see the OUKITEL logo on the screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up and down. And this will redirect you to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, you can navigate up or down, depending on which one you press. So I'm pressing volume down to scroll down and select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it, then select yes, and confirm that. As you can see at the bottom, you'll see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate the reboot, so you can get back to your Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.